Hi everyone! As you can see, I switched to Gotcha Club, and it looks weird. Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you what would happen if the sun disappears, so let's move to the solar system. Now you might be wondering how the sun disappeared. Now before I actually get into the interesting stuff, I'll talk about some facts about the sun and how it gives us energy. Let's start with something interesting. The sun makes up about 99.8% of the solar system. Indeed it is, narrator. Anyways, the sun makes its energy in the core, where heat and gravity fuse hydrogen atoms into helium atoms. This process, called nuclear fusion, releases energy. This energy takes about 150,000 years to reach the surface of the sun. After that, it only takes 8 minutes for it to reach us on Earth. Now we actually get to talk about the interesting parts. So let's start with the question that you might be asking, would we experience the effects of the sun's disappearance immediately? To that I say, no. As I previously stated in this video, the sun's energy takes about 8 minutes to reach us on Earth. That energy comes in the form of light, which is something that I forgot to mention. And as we all know, light likes to behave weirdly. Why did you zoom out of the widescreen? So as you might know, or supposed to know, the sun's gravitational pull keeps the planets orbiting around it. So if the sun disappeared, we'd all fly off into space. Oh, and we would also freeze over. Now I'll talk about what would happen to us on Earth as time passed. But first, let me put on some appropriate music. Now, as I previously mentioned in this video, we would take about 8 minutes to see that the sun has disappeared. Probably because light likes to behave weirdly. No sun means no photosynthesis, and no photosynthesis means no plants, and no plants means no oxygen. But not to worry, as there's 10 quintillion kilos of oxygen in the atmosphere. Well, now the average surface temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. But not to worry, we can all deal with these kinds of temperatures, right? The average global temperature is negative 73 degrees Celsius. Everyone is moving to Yellowstone because that's one of the only places that has geothermal energy. Oh, and the oceans are frozen now. The temperature is so low that the air is literally turning liquid.